Hello guys, this is Moshumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I have created this winter special dewy makeup look for dry skin people using all affordable drugstore products. The product links I have given below in the description box. They are all available on Amazon at a discounted price as the wardrobe refresh sale is going on there. So if you want, you can add these products to your cart right now. Dewy makeup means understanding your skin concern. You have to use the skincare products wisely. I have already washed and used toner on my face, so I will start with the hyaluronic serum from L'Oreal Paris and will pat it on my face using the hands only. And then I will move on to the moisturizer part, and for that I have used that Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. I will warm it up first and then will apply all over my face, taking a generous amount of it. If you don't have any under eye cream, you can use it under your eyes also, because the under eye areas get dry very easily. Don't do any tiptoe move while applying the moisturizer if you have dry skin. Next, I will be using the sunscreen, and for that I have used that Biotica sunscreen. If you have dry skin, you can definitely try this out because this sunscreen is very hydrating and moisturizing at the same time. And for the primer, I have used the Silk Blur Primer from Plume. It blurs out the pores and at the same time it works as a moisturizing cream also. So if your skin is not super dry, you can use this primer only. You won't be needing any other moisturizing cream. So now my skin prep is done and I will be applying the foundation, and for that I have used that foundation from Maybelline Fit Me range. If you have dry skin, do not put multiple layers of foundation on your skin. It will look cakey. So I have sprayed the foundation all over my face and neck using the brush first. By the way, the shade details are given in the description box, so you guys can check them out from there. And also, if you have dry skin, always use the liquid foundation during the winter especially. So after spreading of the foundation with the brush, I will be using the beauty blender to take out the excess product, because if you have dry skin, you should apply a thin layer of foundation, otherwise it will make your skin looking dry after some time. And after that I will be using my favorite concealer from Maybelline Fit Me range to highlight my face. As I will be applying the concealer, so I didn't layer it up with the foundation, but if you don't want to put the concealer, you can just apply the foundation instead and you will be good to go. So taking the beauty blender, I have blended all my concealer. As you guys know, beauty blender takes out the excess product, so if you have dry skin, you should use the beauty blender instead of brush, and also it is easier to blend the product on the dry skin using the beauty blender rather than any brush. And next, for my liquid blush, I will be using that lip and cheek tint from Earth Rhythm. Liquid products make your skin looking more hydrating, so for that I am using all the liquid products today. And also in the winter season, if you want to make your skin looking more dewy and healthy looking, then you should apply the liquid products more than the powder products. And after that I will be using that Born to Glow liquid illuminator from NYX. I have applied a little bit amount of it on my cheekbones first, and whatever will be left on the beauty blender will apply it just on the highest points of my face. And now to set my concealer, I will be applying that compact powder from Maybelline Fit Me range, and I will be using a little bit amount of the powder, as I have said earlier, just to set my concealer so that it doesn't crease at all. So yeah, that's it. For powder contouring and the blush part, I will be using that D4 Space palette from Sugar Cosmetics. And I will be applying the powder contour very light-handedly just to give a shadowy effect to my face and nothing much more. And taking a little amount of the powder blush, I will be applying on top of my liquid blush just to make it long lasting. So yeah, that's it. And now for powder highlighter, I will be using that Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and will be applying it on the highest points of my face. And now to set my base, I will be using that makeup fixer from MAC Cosmetics and will be waiting for 2 minutes at least for drying it out. And now to do my eyebrows, I will be using that eyeshadow palette from Lakme and will be just filling the gaps, and that's it. My eyebrows are already thick in comparison to my face, so I will keep it as natural as possible. For the eye makeup, I will be using that Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter for the eyelid and will be applying it on my eyelids using my finger because that was looking more pigmented than the brush. So yeah. And to contour my eyes, I will be using that shade from Lakme eyeshadow palette and will be applying in my crease lines. For the lower eyelid also, I will be using the same shade to create a shadow under my eyes. And to make my eyes look bigger, I will be using that white kajal on my waterline. And for the eyelashes, I will be using that mascara from Maybelline. I didn't plan for the eyeliner at first, but I think it will go with that look right now. So I have used that Lakme eyeliner and I have created a thick line on my eyelid. For the lipstick, I have used that Rene Fab 5 5-in-1 lipstick, which is very travel friendly. And by the way, you can try this try on feature on Amazon to select your shade. Just upload a no makeup wala picture and you can see how it looks on you, and then you can purchase your favorite one. So I have completed my whole makeup look. You can see how it is looking right now. I loved the makeup look because it is looking so simple and also dewy and healthy looking at the same time. I totally fell in love with that look. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video, and also don't forget to check out the wardrobe refresh sale on Amazon. And yeah, if you want to purchase any of these products whichever I have used in this video, you can check out the link below and purchase from there. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.